TruVideo is a video and messaging platform that focuses on communication. At my dealership, I always wanted to build trust with customers. When a customer gets a video, they can see and understand the work that needs to be done and trust that it's being done correctly. By using video, we get faster responses and customers have better experiences connecting with the dealership. With messaging, we're able to professionalize comments sent back to the customer. You can type out a phrase and it'll provide a grammatically correct professional response. We're also able to speak in multiple languages back and forth with customers. In addition to the AI in our messaging, our noise cancellation trains to the voice of the technician and digitally deletes the sounds around that voice so the customer can hear a clear description without any of those common noises you hear in a service department.
As you can see, I have the engine air filter out, and I did take a look at it. It does not need to be replaced.
TruVideo not only sells direct to dealers, but we power some of the largest software businesses in automotive. Our goal is to connect great businesses with their best customers. If you want to drive revenue and improve customer experience, don't change the way you do business, just change the way you communicate.